In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an embed form in Klaviyo. If you're looking to integrate forms directly into your Klaviyo emails, you're in the right place. This process is pretty straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to do it with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your Klaviyo account and navigate to your email template editor. This is where you'll be making your changes and customizing your content. You'll find the email template you wish to edit, or start with a new one if that's your preference. Once you're in the template editor, look at the left sidebar. Here, you'll see various elements you can add to your email template. What we're interested in is the HTML block. This block allows you to insert custom HTML into your emails, which is exactly what we need for embedding a form. Now, click on the HTML option in the sidebar. You'll notice it becomes highlighted, indicating it's ready to be used. You'll want to drag this HTML block directly into your email template. Simply click and hold on the HTML block and drag it to the desired location within your template. This is where your form will appear, so choose a spot that makes sense for your email's design and flow. After you drag the HTML block into your template, you should see it appear in your email layout. It's like placing a blank canvas into your design, where you can add your personalized touch. This is what will hold your form, so make sure it fits well with the rest of your content. Next, it's time to embed your form code. You should have your form code ready to go. This could be a form you've created using another service, or a custom form you've designed yourself. Click into the HTML block you just added, and you'll be able to paste your embed code directly into this space. This is the critical step where your form becomes part of your email. And there you have it. With your form code in place, your email is now equipped to gather responses directly from your recipients. Whether you're collecting feedback, gathering signups, or anything else, your embedded form is ready to engage with your audience. That's it for today's tutorial on adding an embed form to your Klaviyo emails. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance your email marketing strategy. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on maximizing your Klaviyo capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!